or not, instead of night time. I feel like I do a bit better because I'm more awake.
Yeah. I normally play football as well, so I can't go sleep earlier, so I wake up mad late, so I don't get woke tomorrow. Yeah, I probably won't be going to bed that late. I've already got rats.
That's what I love to see.
How named Hot Frag when he dies? I got a Yui as well.
Oh shit, chopper. He's dropped the chopper. Oh shit, oh shit.
He's picking up his. Oh,
Hey.
Putin. The Russian president. No! Everything I look at is gone. I leave my snipers alone. Card, cash.
Yeah, yeah, where are you?
In there.
Oh shit. There's a cluster there, mate.
Here's a quick little Yui.
Oh!
One's up top.
I'm gonna push these.
Same. They're going to the other route, I think.
Yeah, they are.
Yeah, they went over route. I'm pushing him anyway. Wow, I'm taking my kill. That's just teammate. Yeah, him back.
Yeah.
Didn't even get a single kill from that.
His teammates in there. In tower build. Of course, he's in tower build.
Was he in the tower?
Yep.
Right. How far must this game be?
Harbour. Oh yeah, I'm going harbour. I like fighting harbour.
Under him in tower, down them.
I'm going harbour. I like fighting down here.
Same. I'm coming with you, Carl.
Oh shit. Let's go.
Are they in the other build?
Yeah. Yeah, they're fighting. They're near the car.
Yeah,
They're near the car. What the hell?
From
Oh shit!
Get in, get in.
I'm getting shot at from the other build. Oh shit!
What?
Down him.
Nice. I'm coming back round.
There's one on the heli. Where the heli is.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
Oh, the jump. Oh shit! Down him up there. Oh my god, that was a shot.
Oh, in front.
No! Oh! It's...
That was,
Oh no! I didn't realise there was a team. Yeah. I didn't realise there was a team pushing from there. I thought that was a team on our left who I sniped.
Seems like you'll be on the game for the rest of the night at this point.
Nah. I'm not diving on bullshit yet. So I'm chilling.
Well, I'm gonna go off after
Yeah, I'm going off after this game.
my hands, yeah, are crying for a break. They've been playing all day. Not all day actually. Just, I came on early, so
Good few. Good few hours.
a good like 4 hours at least.
Oh shit!
Oh, there's someone in tower. When is there not there?
That's true. Motherfucker. Don't be such a little bitch and camp then, you little faggot.
Downed him.
There's people going rat build, rat build. Go rat build.
We've got no plates, but
There's plates in the other building. The guy who had us killed.
too bad I'm fighting without plates.
the buy. You take his plates. You got such.
Yeah.
He's back in there. Oh! I died him. Died him as he was flying.
What?
Let's go. As he was jumping down.
There's someone in the brand build.
Wait, yeah, wait.
What was that explosive? Right, I'm coming. On me. He's running. Hit Martin. Yeah, he's weak. There's another one in the building, Carl. Can you stop pinging, please?
Oh my god, I didn't even have my mic for all of that fight.
What?
I needed to charge it.
Crack someone in green build.
Oh my god, I turned on that guy so hard as well. Someone dropping in? I died him. Oh my god.
Go to our right.
Yeah, I'm with you. Get fucked. Oh shit, I threw him a knife. Oh shit, on top. On top.
Can that kid stop pinging? Cracked in green build.
Oh, there's people on roof.
I need sniper ammo.
I need my knife back.
How have I got nearly 2k damage but 1 kill? I'm actually not happy.
Yeah, I'm going back roof. There's 2 people up here.
Yeah, I'm coming with you. I'm actually not happy though.
Yeah, they're right here. Look, they're in this spot. Died one. I'm so good.
Nice. Cracked the build.
Let's go.
Where is he?
Oh shit.
Oh, I'm getting shot from the other side. Over the wall. He's getting me.
No.
Can't let me in. Kyle, why was you from where you think it was? He literally just had it. Oh no.
One's down. Come up when you're playing.
I'm
No. Oh, push. There's one there. Yes. There's one more. There's one more. No, there's one more. Let him finish me. Yeah, let him reload. No, bam him. No. Oh, no. I had racks as well. Oh, our teammate's got him. Did our teammate? Yes. Come on, lad. Go on, lad. Oh, come on. Don't rub our guns, please. Yeah. Come on, lad. Thank you. He didn't. He's put him down. Thank you. Oi, this teammate's sick. Wait, I don't have a Krieg. Yo, save teammate, save. I thought that was a loadout marker then. I was about to say, like, yo, there's a Krieg and the stuff at AK in here if you need anything. Or you sorted, teammate. I don't know what you're like using, so I thought I'd. To be fair, we can get Lodi, so it don't really matter. Let's get Lodi.
Yeah. Well,
We'll get Lodi and a Yui. Yeah, that's true. Oh shit. Yeah, I see him. Nice. Yo, we can get Lodi. Yeah. Drop rest of cash as well, boy. Oh, you got, yeah, drop rest of cash. Oh no! No! Teammate! Yo, drop down. Get on the floor. Nice one, let's go. Just enough as well. Yeah, they just keep resing each other, yeah. Oh shit, yo, what? Oh, they're in rat build. No, rat build. I think they're coming up as well. Yeah, coming up. Down one. Finish.
Where's on?
Oh, blued one. Got him.
Nice.
Oh, I'm so good.
You're so good. You're so
I'm so
good.
good.
I'm getting
Right.
my perks back.
Yeah, get perks back.
Got my back. Got my back.
I'm
What about
getting
the
high
ones
alert.
down there? Are they still there?
Yeah, I think so.
I mean, I don't know if we can. Wait, we might get it back.
Nah, we ain't got enough. Oh, sorry, bro. We'll try
I'm
and
gonna
get you
take
back.
his stats because he just can't come back.
Yeah, yeah.
I don't
We'll
think
try and
they're
get
down
you.
anymore, Carl.
I don't know. Is there anyone in here?
I think they got parachuter. Give me a second.
Yeah, yeah, people in here. Yeah. Oh shit, it's above me. It's above, it's above.
Get him.
Ah, he just thermited himself, what an idiot. He's right top, right up top. Right up top, top.
I'm gonna go up the ladder.
Yeah, same. I'm insane, so I'm coming with you.
Where is he gone? Oh, there.
Nice.
Get out my game. His teammates on the loadout down here.
Yeah?
Oh!
Oh!
It's last kids, last kids.
Where? Oh, they're on loadout, they're on loadout. Oh! Oh my god, you're insane. He's dropping in. He's dropping in. He's dropping in on his teammate. He's self-res.
I'm insane, I'm insane.
You're actually insane. Right, we got enough cash? No, we got no cash. We got no cash. Gas mask here if you need one. Oh yeah, we need to move. Where was that shot? No, it's 2v2.
Is it? Oh,
Yeah, they're on the hill. Right.
Behind me. Shoot.
One's blued. No,
Jump, push up, crack.
downed him. Let's go. Woo!
Insane.
Oh my days.
We always get
We always get a win. Oh, that's mad. GG's. Yo, that was clutch from our teammate though. Landing on him to beating him up though. And our other teammate left. Didn't think you were gonna get the win. Come on now. Yeah.
Carl, did you see me in though? I was like, down.
I know, yeah, you got like 3 in a row. Oh, I've got that whole game recorded as well, so we're chilling. GG's! GG's! Oi, let's go!